Dear viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel H2O Chemistry. I am Satyanarayan, your chemistry teacher. In this video, we are going to calculate the mass from moles, volume, and number of particles. So, if you are provided with the details of mole, volume, and number of particles, how to calculate the mass of a substance, we are going to calculate in this video. So, in order to learn clearly these calculations, I strongly recommend to watch the video on number of moles and mole concept and Avogadro number, so that you will understand this concept very clearly, my dear children. Now let us see some basics about this calculations and their ideas. Now the first one, calculation of mass from mole. So we know that this one sentence is very helpful in knowing the idea about the moles. Now gram atomic mass of a atom or gram molecular mass of a molecule equals 1 mole. Similarly, which contains 6.023 in 10 to the power of 23 particles, otherwise called Avogadro number, which occupies 22.4 liters at STP. So this information is very important in doing all these sums. Let us take an example. Oxygen, 32 grams of oxygen, O2, right? O2, 2 into 16, 32 grams. So 32 grams of oxygen is a gram molecular mass of oxygen, which is equal to 1 mole, which contains 6.023 in 10 to the power 23 oxygen molecules, which is a gas, so occupies 22.4 liters at STP, standard temperature and pressure. Now if the mass is given, how to calculate the number of moles? Yeah, if I say 32 grams, this is equal to 1 mole. If I say 64 grams, which is equal to 2 moles. So 32 into 2, 64. So it is 2 moles. So like that, if a mass is given, how to calculate number of moles? That's the first step. So whenever we are going to calculate the mass, so what we have to do is we have to take the number of moles. So the number of moles is equal to given mass by gram atomic mass. If atomic mass is given, if mass of an atom is given, in the case of molecule you have to choose this gram molecular mass. Now if the number of particle is given, the number of moles is equal to given number of particles by Avogadro number, that is 6.023 in 10 to the power of 23. Next, if volume is given, what will happen? If volume is given, the number of moles is equal to given volume at STP divided by molar volume at STP. The molar volume at STP is 22.4 liters. So this is the idea. We have to calculate the number of moles. So the first step, what you have to do is convert the given data into number of moles and then find out the mass in grams by simply multiplying the number of moles with gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass. So let us see some examples so that you will understand more about this. Come to the first one, that is example number 1. 0.3 moles of aluminium. The atomic mass of aluminium is 27. They have given. Calculate the mass of aluminium. Now check out this. Number of moles is equal to, so the mass moles is given. So this is a formula. We know that number of moles is equal to mass of aluminium divided by gram atomic mass of aluminium. So in this we have a mass. So by rearranging this formula, we have got mass of aluminium is equal to, so this we can cross multiply here. So the number of moles into atomic mass of aluminium. So what you're going to do, number of moles into atomic mass, we will get the answer. Substitute the values. Number of moles, 0.3 moles they have given, so 0.3. Atomic mass is 27, so atomic mass 27. Multiplying this will give you 0.3 into 27, 8.1 grams. So 0.3 moles contains 8.1 grams. So this is a simple idea we can follow. Next one. Now look at the next one. Here 2.2 liters of sulfur dioxide gas at STP given. Calculate the mass. So we have to calculate this. I told you the first step is to calculate the number of moles. How do you calculate number of moles? Right? The number of moles, if volume is given volume at STP divided by molar volume. What is the next step? So by knowing the number of moles, we have to multiply with gram molecular mass, because it is a gram molecular, it's a molecule. That's the reason we have to multiply with gram molecular mass. So the mass of sulfur dioxide is equal to number of moles, which we have calculated from this, into gram molecular mass of SO2. Right? Now we will follow the first step. So what is the first step? The number of moles is equal to, so what is the volume is given, 2.2 liters. So 2.2 liters divided by 22.4 liters. So liter get cancelled, is equal to 2.24 divided by 22.4. So I just want to make it as a whole number. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply by 100 by 100, so that this top number will be a whole number now. 224 divided by 2240, which is equal to nothing but 1 by 10. Can you clearly see? This is a 1 time, this is 10 times. So 1 by 10, which is nothing but 0.1 moles. So what we have calculated, 2.24 liters of sulfur dioxide is nothing but 0.1 moles. So now we have to calculate the mass. So mass of sulfur dioxide is equal to number of moles into gram molecular mass of sulfur dioxide. What do you calculate the number of moles? 0.1 molecules. Now we don't know the gram molecular mass, so we'll calculate first. So the gram molecular mass of sulfur dioxide is equal to, how many sulfur we have? Only 1 here. So 1 into atomic mass of sulfur is 32, plus how many oxygen we have? 2. So 2 into 16. So answer is 1 into 32, 32, plus 2 into 16, 32. The answer is 64 grams. So now we know the gram molecular mass of sulfur dioxide. Now number of moles is 0.1 into the gram molecular mass we have calculated 64 grams. So if you multiply these two, we have got 6.4 grams. So what we have calculated is 2.2 liters of sulfur dioxide gas exactly weighs 6.4 grams. 6.4 grams. Now the next one, third example, 1.51 in 10 to the power of 23 molecules of water. So we have calculate the mass of water. So what is the first step? I told you, if molecules or number of particles is given, first this you have to convert it into number of moles and then find out the mass, right? So number of moles, if particle is given, number of moles is equal to given number of particles divided by Avogadro number. So the second step will be mass of water is equal to number of moles into, it is a water, so molecules, so gram molecular mass of water. So we will see the first step, number of moles is equal to 1.51 10 to the power of 23, which is given in the sum, divided by Avogadro number is 6.023 in 10 to the power of 23. So if you get cancelled, so I just want to change this number into both the numbers into whole numbers. So I'm going to multiply with 1000 by 1000, because 6.023 after decimal I have 3 digits. So I'm going to multiply with 1000 by 1000. So I've got 1510 divided by 6023. So if I divide this, I've got approximately 0.25 so moles, so which is nothing but 0.25 moles. So what is the next step? Step number 2, the mass of water is equal to number of moles into gram molecular mass of water. So gram molecular mass of water we have to calculate. So the gram molecular mass of water is equal to, how many hydrogen we have here? 2. So 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, plus how many oxygen we have here? 1. 1 into 16 we have 16. So 2 into 1 2, plus 1 into 16 16. The total gram molecular mass of water is 18 grams, right? So now this term we have calculated, number of moles we have calculated earlier. So the mass of 1.51 in 10 to the power of 23 water molecule is equal to number of moles is 0.25 into 18. So if we calculate that, I've got 4.5 grams of water, right? So 4.5 grams contains 1.51 in 10 to the power of 23 water molecules. It's a very huge number, remember. Now, so these kind of sums you can easily calculate by using this mole concept. I hope this video will be very helpful. Now, subscribe for more videos, the chemistry concepts made easy here. Click the bell button to get the notification immediately. Like this video, share to your friends, so that let them learn chemistry without any stress. Thank you, my dear children. See you in the next video. It will be very interesting. Thank you.